Shakra Storyland. Hi kids. Today let's practice English alphabet. Letter V.
A, B, C, jump up high. D, E, F, reach the sky. G, H, I, spin around to J, K, L, stomp the ground. M, N, O, wiggle your toes. P, Q, R, touch your nose. S, T,
V for vase. V for vase.
Y, and Z, now let's freeze. Sing and dance, it's fun to do. Learning letters just like you.
V for van. V for van.
Sing and dance, it's fun to do. Learning letters just like you.
E, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
V for violin.
O, P,
V for violin.
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for
V
dog,
for
E is
volleyball.
elephant, F
V
is
for
G
volleyball.
is for giraffe, H is for wish. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for doll, E is for elephant, F is for fish, G is for giraffe, H is for wish. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
V. Vase, van, violin, volleyball. Thank you for watching. I will come again. Bye bye.